Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the AOLON Huafit Watch S6. And on this video, we are going to have a demo on one of its smart features, and that is the Bluetooth music control function. So this smartwatch do have a feature for controlling the music or the audio on your phone. So let me show you the Bluetooth music control function. So we have this feature here on the Huafit Watch S6. So we'll check it and we'll try if it works with this popular application. So we have here the built-in music player, Spotify, YouTube, and YouTube Music. So we'll try these 4 apps and see if it works with the Bluetooth music control. So if you are interested to see the results or the demo, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's have a demo of the Bluetooth music control function. So let's open the music control. Okay, we have contacts and we have the music control here. So let's see. Okay, then let's open the built-in music player here. Then let's try to play it here. Okay, so the sound is coming from the smartwatch. So you have an option to increase the volume here. Okay, loudspeaker, as you can see, as you can hear, very good speaker. Stop. Next. Does it work? Yes. Next song. Okay, so far it's working. Stop. Go back. Go back. Yes. Go back and play. There's no title as you can see here, but we have the volume adjustment. It's a bit slow, I think. Go back. The response is a bit slow. Okay, there's some lag, but it's working. Next. Okay, it's working now. Okay, so it works with the built-in music player, as you can see here, or as you can hear. The next, Spotify. Okay, let's try to play some of the audio here. Play. Does it change? Next. No, it's not changing. Stop. Let's play it here first. And let's see. Okay, it changes. But as you can see here, sometimes there's a delay on the sound or on the music. Stop. Play. Okay, it works. Next. Stop. But it works with Spotify. Okay, you have to play it here first on the Spotify app to activate. Okay, activate it first on Spotify, then you can control it here on the smartwatch. So it goes forward, it play, and pause. Okay, so again, it works with the built-in music player and Spotify. Let's try the YouTube app. I guess this one, we can increase the volume. Let's stop. Okay, let's try this one.
Two extraordinary figures suddenly appeared.
Stop. Next.
Is your report ready?
Next. Stop. Next. Go back.
In our last
Adjust the
episode
volume.
of Drive Through History, the
Increase the
Gospels,
volume.
Jesus and his
Stop. Okay, so it works with the YouTube application. You can play, go forward, go backward, adjust the volume, or increase or decrease the volume, but still we don't have a title here of the video. Next, let's try the YouTube music. We'll remove again the sound here to avoid any copyright issues. Okay, then let's try this one. Does it work? Stop. Oh, stop. Okay, next. Yes, it works here, as you can see. Next. Next. Go back. Next. Stop. Next. Play. Pause. Play. Volume. Increase the volume. Next. Stop. Okay, so it works also with our YouTube Music and YouTube app. Okay, so far I think it's okay for the Watch S6. The built-in music or the built-in Bluetooth music player or the built-in Bluetooth music control function works with the popular applications. I think it's okay. Okay, there's no title for the song or the video, but you can control the volume, go forward and go backward, play and pause with the music control function of the Huafit Watch S6. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.